It's that road in front of us, but what position at the stop junction do we get to? Slower. Slower. Yeah, good. Aim this way. Get all the way to the line, every bit, then do your stop, then decide. Off we go. Perfect.
Yeah, for now I have to stop. Alright.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Do you understand about the position at the right angle to the stop junction as well?
Yeah.
What did that do to your view in that scenario?
It just helped me more look to the left.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you were on the angle pointing at this road across the other side,
yeah,
you would have had my big fat head in the way.
Yeah.
I have got a big fat head. So it always improves your view, and it's even more so important if you ever drive a van, because don't forget the van hasn't got those windows at the side. It's only got, well, these passenger and the driver windows. It hasn't got the ones behind you.
Yeah.
So arrive at a right angle at the stop or give way sign gives you your best view.
Yeah.
All right.
That's right.
Good man.